Hi, welcome back to my channel, Shanette for Life. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I prepared my vegan nachos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. These were my husband's nachos. In this clip, I am showing you what I did to prepare my tortilla chips. I lined my baking pan with foil, but you can also use parchment paper, but foil will work just fine. I first cut the tortillas in small triangle pieces, then I arranged them as best as I could to be able to fit as many as I can on the pan. I then take a lemon and I squeeze some lemon juice over the top of the tortillas. I also use cumin for my seasoning, and then I sprinkle a little bit of salt for taste. I don't add too much, but together they make the tortilla chips taste so delicious. Then I place them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes on 450 degrees. I leave them in closer to 15 minutes because I like my chips to be really crispy and dark in color, as you can see here. The only thing I did with the tofu is crumble it up and place it on a pan, and I cooked it in the oven for like 10 minutes. And you just cook it to your liking. This is 100% plant-based vegan cheese with no oils added. So if you're interested in knowing how I made this cheese sauce, let me know in the comment section below. I was going to make my own avocado dip, but I was so hungry. And to cut down the time, I just added some already bought avocados. It only contains avocados, vinegar, jalapenos, garlic, and water. there you have it, my vegan nachos. I have to add more cheese sauce because I love the flavor of it and it makes the nachos taste so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.